Praise God. Today, I want to clear one doubt that many of us are having. We all think that, will God speak to me? So, the same question even I had, that will God speak to me? Many people are telling that I heard God's voice, He spoke to me about this, He answered for my question, He answered my doubts. But many times I used to think, why God is not speaking to me? Am I a sinner? Why God is not speaking to me? At that time, God spoke to me through one verse, which says in John chapter 10 verse 27, my sheep hear my voice. He's telling my sheep, I am His sheep, and He wants me to hear His voice. So it was very touching to my. It was very close to me at that time. It spoke to me very clearly. My sheep. He wants me. You are His sheep. So today I want to just clear you all that you are His sheep. There are no particular people like educated or talented or any rich people or poor people. He is not a God of partiality. He will speak to everyone. He is our shepherd and we are His sheep. He's calling us, my sheep, hear my voice. So He's telling that, calling out your name, my child, you hear my voice. So He wants to speak with us, particularly, personally, He wants to speak to us. So we might think, why God didn't speak to me till now? So we have to take efforts. Are we taking time to hear His voice? Are we going to His presence to hear His voice? Are we going to Him to ask any opinion? What we do as humans, what we do is we go to all humans, take 10 people's opinion, and when we end up in failure, we come to God's feet. But we should not do that. First, go to His presence, seek His opinion, that God, speak to me about this matter. I want a clearance from you. I want a approval from you for this particular thing. Once He answers, then go and discuss it with your elders or parents or other people. First, go to His feet. Listen to His voice. You might say, how God will speak? Will He come and sit near to me like a friend and speak? It's also possible He can come directly and speak to you. But even if He doesn't speak directly, He will speak to you through songs, through worships, through different kind of sermons, through living word, which is Bible, through Bible verses, or through any others. He might speak through any way, but He will speak, He will answer your prayer. But the first thing you have to do is you have to give the first priority to Him. Ask Him, seek His opinion, go to His presence and say, Lord, I want to hear your voice. Lord, I want to hear what you want me to do. Lord, I want to hear what is your will. That time will come to you and speak to you. So I believe that this will be useful to you. You will go to His presence and hear His voice and do what He wants you to do, rather than doing your own wishes, own will. And even if you have some will, go and put it in His presence, that Lord, I want this. Lord, I wish, my mind wishes this, I want to do this. Let's see what He speaks, what's His opinion. Talk to Him as a friend, as a parent, as a best friend. You can share everything to Him and speak to Him on daily basis, every day, wherever you are, anytime, from anywhere, whatever kind of person you are, whatever language you speak, just go to His presence and spend few minutes. He will speak to you every day. I believe that you will practice this, and this will be very useful for you in your daily life. Just never forget that God speaks to everyone. There is no particular thing or no particular kind of people with whom He is going to speak. He's speaking to everyone. He will speak to everyone. You just go and speak to Him and hear His voice. God bless you.